Hello, everyone. Today we are going to make and taste for the first time this rice cauliflower stir fry that we purchased from Aldi. Welcome, everyone. I am Deborah. If you are joining me for the first time, I am now in my 60s and I am definitely in the KISS phase of my life. KISS being keep it simple senior. All right. That is where I am because my time is valuable, guys, but at the same time, I want to fill it with good things, including the foods that I eat. So my husband went to Aldi's over the weekend, knows that I like the rice cauliflower, him not so much. That's another story, but anyway, he got this for me, and I decided that we would try it together. But because you guys is nothing but the rice and the veggies, I wanted something a little bit more hearty. So I decided to make it my own kind of special, and I am going to add in a few additional ingredients. I'm going to add in some diced onions because I like it, and also I'm going to add in some cubed chicken, you guys. Now, another thing is I'm trying to keep my diet as clean as possible. I'm probably 85% there as far as eating clean. I still got some things, you guys. You got to pray for me, okay? I've said it before, I'll say it again. The thing that really, okay, is a problem for me, I give into it each and every time, are the potato chips. So pray for me on that. But aside from that, you guys, I do pretty darn good. So I looked at the ingredients on this, not too bad as far as being clean. There's a couple things in here that I don't recognize, okay, but you know what? We're going to eat this tonight because nobody has money to waste. My husband purchased this for me and he had my best interest at heart and I love him so much for it. So we're going to eat this tonight, regardless of just a couple things in here that I really don't know what they are. We just going to put a little Sharpie on it and pretend like it doesn't exist just for this evening. So anyway, you guys, what we're going to do is I am going to take this chicken, which I've already sauteed, absolutely delicious, you guys. And once again, if you've been following me, you know my go-to as far as chicken seasoning is concerned: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I fry it up in some avocado oil. That is my go-to. I can do wonders with chicken breast. That's why I love it so much. So tonight we're going to take it, we're going to cube it, and we are going to put it in this fried rice at the end. I cooked it this way. Normally what I would do is I would go ahead and season it and then cube it. The reason why I did not do it that way before I fried it is because my husband wants just the chicken breast fillet. So I decided, okay, let's go ahead and do that, and I will cut mine into cubes later on. So you guys, having said that, okay, I am going to go on over to the stove, get everything started as far as the skillet is concerned, take this rice. You guys, you know what? I don't know what the technical term is when you get something frozen and it's clumped together, but you know what I do? That's what I do. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but it works, okay? So I got a couple more clumps in here. I'm going to do that a couple more times. I'm going to take all these ingredients after I cube this chicken over to the stove. Join me over there and let's fry up some cauli rice. All right, everyone, let's cook. So to my preheated skillet, I'm going to add some avocado oil or olive oil, whichever one that you prefer. I like to use avocado oil because it has a higher burn rate than the olive oil does. Okay, spread that around. Let that heat for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add in my onions. Add in our diced onions. And I'm going to continue to cook these until they are just translucent. Up next, I'm going to add in my rice. Now, the instructions say to cook this on medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. And in it goes. You guys, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? And got a few chunks still left. At this point, 6 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, guys, we are at the midway point. And right now I'm seeing a lot of moisture, so I'm hoping that that is not going to be a sign that this is going to be soggy, but we shall see. All right. Okay. All right. So it looks like that liquid did in fact evaporate. Very nice. Okay. So now at this point, you guys, what I'm going to do is layer in some more flavor. Well, actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to put the chicken in first, then I'm going to layer in some more flavor. So here is my cubed chicken. Go ahead and slide that in. You guys, this chicken is so good. I'm glad that I saved some for this rice. Go ahead and stir this. That actually is looking pretty good. All right, a couple more things that I want to add in here before I plate it. Just a little bit more sesame oil. Now the ingredient says that that rice came with some sesame oil, but I love it, so I'm going to add just a little bit more without making it oily. Okay, that's one thing. And the last thing I want to do is to add some low sodium soy sauce. And if you guys are gluten intolerant, then you just add in that stuff that is supposed to be for people that are gluten intolerant. So go ahead and give this a stir. All right, you guys. This is ready. Meet me at the table. All right, you guys. And here it is. I decided I'm not even going to put this in a plate just in case I don't like the stuff and I don't want to waste my time, you know, like cleaning up extra dishes just in case. Lord, I thank you. Okay, here we go. Y'all, that's good. That is actually good. Okay. I like that. Aldi's just did a thing. This is an example of how you can take something store-bought and combine it with something homemade and get a semi-homemade at home. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Aldi just did a thing. Put a little bit more soy sauce on this. But this actually is really good. And even better, it came together really, really fast. All right. Chicken breast, real simple to cook, you guys. Keep some chicken breast in your freezer for that extra protein. And I'm telling you, this thing, you can use it, and you can even have that stuff for breakfast too. I'm telling you, that's how versatile chicken breast is. All right, just keep. And if you don't believe me, okay, check out all the recipes that I have on my new YouTube channel, and I will prove it to you. But you guys, this is just another example of how you can take some chicken breast and make a meal your own kind of special with some store-bought, frozen, Aldi's Cauli rice. Okay, you guys. Well, that is it. We made it and we tasted it together, and I will definitely give this 2 thumbs up. Leave in the comments and let me know if you have seen this, okay, at your Aldi's, if you tried it before, let everybody know, okay, what extra things you put in yours to make it your own kind of special. And having said that, you guys, thanks for being here. Give this video a like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. Check out all the other recipes that I'm sharing with you here, you guys. I know there's going to be something for everybody. Again, I am in the season of my kids' life. Keep it simple, senior. But you know what? We still gonna keep it healthy, keep it simple, and we gonna keep it oh so delicious. Thank you guys for being here. Love you all and enjoy. Let me go get myself a plate. See you soon, you guys.